If you're staying in Catania for a few days and want a relaxing day away from city life, then this travel guide is for you. We love Sicily, and today we're heading out on a day trip from our apartment in Catania to visit two coastal gems. Aci Castello and Aci Trezza are two incredible spots that are just a short bus ride away. Coming up, we show you around both areas and visit a medieval castle with stunning views across the Ionian Sea. And we take an exhilarating boat ride around the iconic rock formations in Aci Trezza. Subscribe to Nicola Explores for travel guides around Europe and the UK. We don't usually opt for tourist buses, but we made an exception for this one because it offers unbeatable views of the coastline along the way. The red bus offers a convenient hop-on, hop-off service along the Catania coast. It's fondly nicknamed the Big Red Bus. I'll add a link to the video description. Tickets cost €15.
The first stop is beside the Duomo, and you can grab your ticket from the ticket office just here on board the bus or from the vendors at the first bus stop. Let's go!
I suggest sitting on the passenger side if you want to soak in the best views.
We love Catania, but I'm really excited about visiting some coastal towns and seeing the sea today.
Our first stop is Aci Castello, only about 20 minutes from Catania. This town is best known for its striking castle, built on the volcanic rock from Mount Etna's eruptions centuries ago. You can enter the castle for a small fee, which I recommend for some incredible views and a bit of history. Inside, you'll find artefacts and displays that tell the story of the region's unique volcanic landscape. The views from up here are fantastic. You get an amazing look at the Ionian Sea and a panoramic view of the coastline. Even if you're not into history, the scenery alone makes this stop worthwhile. At the top of the castle, we strolled through an exotic garden with sweeping sea views. Aci Castello's history dates back to the Norman era, serving as a strategic fortress and enduring countless battles and volcanic eruptions over the centuries. We loved exploring the old rooms and crumbling ruins. Every corner tells a story, including this old graffiti. Descending the steps from Aci Castello's ancient stronghold leads you to a rugged shoreline where volcanic boulders create a natural pathway along the water's edge. The dark, craggy rocks offer a unique encounter with the volcanic landscape. We loved strolling through the quaint streets of Aci Castello. The ground was covered in ash from a recent eruption from Mount Etna, another sign of the volcano's everlasting mark on this region. A must-stop is one of the traditional cafes tucked along these streets. We visited Viscuso. I'll add a link to this place in the episode description. We enjoyed some arancini.
Here we have an arancino.
Arancino is more than just a snack in Sicily. It's a true cultural staple and a point of pride. These crispy golden rice balls are believed to have originated as a practical meal for travellers, offering a hearty, portable option with a delicious surprise inside. Traditionally filled with a savoury ragu, peas and cheese, or sometimes with creamy bechamel or ham, arancini come in a variety of flavours, each region adding its twist.
This one's filled with ragu.
The coffee was fantastic too. Sipping a freshly brewed coffee alongside a warm arancino is a perfect way to experience the essence of Sicilian hospitality. Next up, and just a short ride away, is Aci Trezza. This quaint fishing village is known for its dramatic coastal rock formations called the Cyclopean Isles. Legend has it that these rocks were thrown by the Cyclops during his battle with Ulysses, which gives them a bit of mythical charm. Although I do think this one looks like an arancino. However, these striking volcanic pillars were formed by ancient eruptions from Mount Etna, adding a rugged beauty to the coast and a tangible reminder of the powerful forces that shaped the island. Aci Trezza has a relaxed, authentic charm that makes it feel worlds apart from Sicily's more tourist-heavy spots like Taormina. Here, you won't find bustling crowds or souvenir shops lining every corner. Instead, it's a peaceful fishing village where locals go about their day and visitors can enjoy a slower pace. One highlight of our day trip was a 90-minute boat ride from Aci Trezza's charming harbour. It was exceptional value at just €10, but the price might vary depending on the season. If you're visiting, we definitely recommend this boat ride. With a salty sea breeze in your hair and breathtaking views of the coast, it's an unforgettable way to soak in Sicily's raw, natural beauty. As the boat glides through the crystal clear waters, you'll pass close to the towering volcanic rock formations that have stood for centuries. From the sea, Aci Castello's ancient fortress looks even more defiant, perched on its rocky outcrop. after exploring both Aci Castello and Aci Trezza, it's time to head back to Catania. We ended the day by looping around the central area of Catania while listening to recordings about the city's most iconic buildings and its rich history. The entire trip can be done in a relaxed day, making it perfect for a quick escape from the city. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, be sure to check out my travel guides around Sicily, starting with this one. Please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring. Ciao!